loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. So a couple of days ago I decided that I needed to do a full closet clean out. I kind of had the idea of getting rid of a lot, which didn't end up happening, but I did just want to go through every single clothing item and figure out if I want to keep it or not, just like try it on, and also kind of rediscover some pieces because I was kind of just wearing the same thing, grabbing the pieces that I'm most familiar with, and because my closet was so packed, like there were a lot of pieces that I didn't even realize I still had. So I took it upon myself to try on everything in my closet. Obviously there are some things missing that were maybe in the wash or something, but in general I tried on like most of my clothes. I mean, whatever was in the wash didn't have to be thrown away anyway, or like I didn't have to get rid of because I'm wearing it obviously. So the only thing I didn't go through was my hoodies and sweatshirts because I feel like that's a bit more for like fall winter. I don't really want to get rid of anything now and then the weather gets cold again and I'm like, wait, I wish I still had that. So I kind of left that to be. It's in a drawer, it's stuffed, but like it's fine. Yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch me try on everything in my closet. It was a pain. I absolutely hated it, but at the end, I'm definitely happy that I did it. I got rid of some stuff which otherwise would have just been rotting away in my closet. I've watched some of these videos and I really enjoyed it, so I hope you guys enjoy it too, and let's get into the video. I have everything like color coordinated, so maybe I should just go per color because then I can just do it like that. Should we do that? And then we're gonna go on the other side, which is more like blazers, sweaters, stuff like that. And I also have a drawer full of hoodies and like sweatshirts. So I think we're gonna go by color. I don't want to do this. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna start out with tops and we're gonna do by color. I'm gonna do dresses at the end, so I'm not gonna do the dresses by color because it's just gonna be annoying to like have to do that. So this is what we're gonna be going through right now: yellow creams, pinks, and blue purple.
They say you should try to find yourself. I got stuck in the valley. They say never try to hide yourself, but I spent all of my money on California. Did I arrive too late? Did I make you wait? California. Now tell me where you've been.
I don't know what's happening to the lighting. Having a quick coffee break. I'm almost done with my tops. I still have to do all my like black and darker tops, and then I have to do dresses. I'm also really disappointed how little I'm getting rid of, because I'm trying everything on. I'm like, this is so cute, like, and then I'm like, dude, and I'm like looking at my drawers. I'm like, damn, I'm gonna have to try on all my pants, and I don't want to. Just gonna quickly have my coffee, and then we're gonna continue.
Up with the moves, don't wanna meditate, girl. With you it's hard. Fill in the blanks, text me back, throw me a kiss instead of them tricks. Don't make it hard. I wanna celebrate, you know. Our togetherness.
Ugh, literally so over it. I have to say, I still am not getting rid of a lot, but I have found like a lot of like the tank tops that I have, I wasn't really wearing much anymore because I didn't like the length. So I cut a lot, as you can tell. My nose is itchy. And I know I'm gonna get more wear out of those now. So I guess that's kind of good, because I'm obviously trying to like wear my clothes more. Because I feel like my camera has moved many times. So I'm sorry about that. But like the battery kept dying, so I had to change it.
Only we know how it goes. We know how it goes. Our togetherness, both mind and flesh. We know how it goes. Way down low. I don't wanna push and pull, girl. Come on, follow me once. Oh, I don't play rough. Me around your little pinky, nothing to ask, nothing. Damn, this crush is hard. I wanna celebrate, you know. Our togetherness, both mind and flesh. Only we know how it goes. We know how
If I could start the story from the end, then maybe I could end all this pretending. I'm not too sure of everywhere I've been. This medicine keeps telling me I'm winning. Oh Marilyn, where have you been? I've been looking for a place within. All this carousel is spinning me. I've been up and down through heaven and hell. Did I arrive too late? Did I make you wait? Now tell me where you've been and everything you've seen.
Okay, so it's literally like I think almost like 8 p.m. and I'm still not done. The only thing that's left is I guess my dresses and sweatpants, but I think I'm going to finish that tomorrow or maybe even the day after because y'all, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm over it. I'm gonna put my dresses back into my closet so that's not like a huge mess, and then I will get back to you. I mean, for you it's gonna be like 2 seconds. I will continue this another day because it's been a lot, but we have made progress though. This pile is what I'm selling. I'm actually going to go through that right now and put it up on United Wardrobe, and yeah, we're gonna continue with that and the rest of my stuff another day.
If I could make it out of here alive, if I could pack up all my souvenirs, but I am gonna stay just one more night, so I can trick myself like you were here. Oh Marilyn, how have you been? I've been looking for a place within. On this carousel, keep spinning me up and down through heaven and hell. Did I arrive too late? Did I make you wait? Now tell me where you've been and everything you've seen. Did I arrive too late? Did I make you wait? Now tell me where you've been and everything you've seen.
So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also turn on my post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video, and make sure to follow me on my Instagram because I post on there every single day and I love talking to you guys in DMs, so don't be scared to reach out. Don't be shy, just do it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.